Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is February the 16th, 2025. Coming to you from the sauna in the bunker. Only 106 degrees. I didn't let it warm up enough. But, just a quick video. I'm thinking about something else. I'm thinking about 9 things at one time as usual. I like to get things done in the morning. I'm kind of a morning person. I like to get things done, all my stuff done in the morning and then goof around in the afternoon. But I'm going to be talking to my friend Jose from Global Intergalactic Headquarters in Guatemala today. And we're going to get some dates on the calendar for me to come down and visit again. And we've kind of been playing phone tag WhatsApp tag the last couple weeks. And yeah, we're going to talk sometime today. But yeah, when I first started going down there in 2014, the people in the village, it was like 35 or 45 families, and now it's grown to 145 families. And every time we go down there, we do stuff. We get dolls for the girls, soccer balls for the boys, shoes for everybody. One year we did water filters, because the whole history of the village, they've been drinking contaminated water. And I read a statistic, like 80% of the stream water or whatever in Guatemala is contaminated in some way, shape, or form. So a lot of sickness in the village, and we were humbled to get every family a big clay pot like water filter. Towels, aluminum sheeting for the people that needed a roof over their house, and a lot of stuff. So unashamedly, if you want to talk to me about making a donation in crypto or fiat, let me know. My email address is cryptomentor99@yahoo.com. cryptomentor99@yahoo.com. And that's it. Every time when I go, a couple of days or weeks before, depending on how much time I have, it motivates me to learn a little bit more Spanish. So Duolingo, here I come. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family and going back to my homeland. Love y'all. Bye-bye.